After changing the gimbal camera, the drone's center of gravity changes. To ensure flight safety, please calibrate the aircraft's center of gravity. Power on the remote controller and aircraft. Launch DJI Pilot. Check the aircraft status. Please ensure the drone is in P mode, the vision system operates normally, and the operating environment is windless. After checking, take off and keep the aircraft hovering. Tap the aircraft icon to enter the flight controller's settings page. Tap Calibrate and then the drone will check its status. After the app shows that everything is operating normally, tap OK and then the aircraft will start to calibrate. During the calibration, the drone's rear indicators will grow solid purple. When DJI Pilot shows a calibration success prompt, you can start to fly the drone. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.